Hello everyone, I wanted to give a quick review on the Keratin Shine Boosting Nourishing Shampoo and Conditioner by Soapbox. For reference, I have what's considered normal to oily hair, as well as very straight hair. So if you have really curly hair, you find your hair is very oily or very dry, you may need to try a different shampoo. But if you have hair type similar to mine, this might be a good option for you. I recently purchased this from Sally's Beauty Supply because I needed to try a new shampoo. I feel like it's been doing really well. I washed my hair this morning and as you can see, I'd say it's pretty shiny. I didn't have to put in any leave-in conditioners or anything, so I was quite happy with these. The only thing that I thought was a little off about this was the smell. I'm not sure I particularly like it, but given the price, I believe this was $10.50 a bottle at Sally's Beauty Supply, I think it was a pretty good deal. Now with the conditioner, what I did do after first couple uses is I did add a little bit of water and I shook it up. Now this is what I do with a lot of conditioners because they're so thick it's hard to work through your hair, but typically that's a good sign. That means it's high quality. So like I said, it smells a little funky, but overall I think that this is a good option if you have normal oily hair and you're wanting some silky hair. It's a good general use shampoo, so I would say give it a try if you're looking for something new. I hope everybody has a great day.